up guys, welcome to my channel Study Joshi. This is me Tara Joshi. You are watching me on my YouTube channel Study Joshi. And, in last video I taught you about the number system. If you do not have watched that, please watch that and do like, share and subscribe that in my channel shorthand. I'm starting a new concept of shorthand. Shorthand is basically a language-based course in which you can write anything with the help of strokes. It is basically depend on only sound. What you hear, you can write it on paper. Or for beginners, it is advised to please write it with a pencil. Okay, let's begin with today's session. Okay, let's start. In shorthand, we have 45 consonants. There are some from A to Z alphabet and also some other words like che, and ge. There are also some words which we can write on paper. Okay, let's begin. Today we will deal with first 6 consonants. Okay, we will start our class shorthand. Okay, let's start. In shorthand, we have 45 consonants. Some are from A to Z alphabet, in which we have read in our schools. Okay, but some other are from sounds. As I told you, shorthand is a phonetic language course. Okay, it deals with only sound. What we can hear, we can write that. Okay, so let's begin. Today we will deal with only 6 consonants. The first 6 consonants. Okay, you can write it with pen or pencil. This is P. What you can read in schools. This is B. This is T. This is D. This is J. We can call it G. This is J. Okay. P. You can put a line downward falling. Okay, these are first 6 consonants. We will read about it today. So let's begin. P. In our school we read it P. This is B. This is T. This is D. It is J. We can read it J, and this is J. This is new. Okay, I have told you this. There are 45 consonant sound. Okay, so J, this is new word. We can put it on paper. J sound. We can put a downward falling stroke. We call it stroke. Like this. Okay, this is P. Okay, but still, if you are a beginner, if you are already a learner, you can write with anything. This is P, a light stroke. Okay, this is downward falling. Downward, इसका stroke जो है आपका downward जाएगा. Okay, this is B, a dark. This is light and this is dark. P. When you write it, please pronounce it. This is P. This is B, dark color, downward stroke. Okay, T is straight stroke but light sound. T is a light sound, but D is heavier sound, so we put it dark stroke. Light stroke for T, downward stroke, dark stroke for D. Okay, T, light stroke, T, 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 T. Please pronounce it together. D, 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 D. Okay, this is B, 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 B. Okay. Next consonant is Ch. We can call it Ch. Ch. For Ch, we can also draw a downward stroke, but from right to left. It is Ch. It's a light consonant, so we write Ch. Downward stroke from right to left. Ch, 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 Ch. Okay. For J, you have to use same stroke, but you have to make them darker. Okay. J, 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 J. These are first 6 consonants, so you have to keep writing at least 10 pages. So you will practice it more and more. You have to face some difficulties in reading them, because you will put somewhere light consonant for dark consonant and dark consonant for light consonant. If you have to write P, you have must sure that you will put only light stroke, and if you have to write B, you have to put a dark stroke but also downward stroke. For T, you have to write a straight stroke but downward. There are lots of meaning of downward and upward. We can change anything by downward or upward direction. Okay, so please be sure make in same direction as I have drawn. Okay, this is downward. B is also downward. T is also downward but straight stroke. D is a downward stroke but dark stroke. Okay, J is also downward but right to left. J is downward and also dark stroke. Okay, you have to clear it in your mind. Okay, this is the ending of this video. Hope you understand it very well, and please do more practice. Hello guys, welcome to my channel Study Joshi. This is me, Tara Joshi. You are watching me on my YouTube channel Study Joshi. In last video I taught you about the number system. If you do not have watched that, please watch that and do like, share and subscribe that.